I'm about to give y'all 5 money habits that's keeping you broke. That way you can change your life. You can live the life that you finally want to live. You can build generational wealth. You know, you just live life freely. That way you ain't gotta wake up and clock in for nobody. You ain't gotta worry about no 9 to 5. Like, the way you can live your best dream life. All right, so boom, let's get straight into it. All right, so number 1 is trying to look rich / lifestyle creep. Now, a lot of y'all probably like, what is lifestyle creep? I'm gonna give y'all my definition of it. So lifestyle creep is basically like, let's say you work like a 9 to 5 job and you making $4,000, you know, a month. And then, you know, you get a raise or whatever, your boss give you a raise, so now you making $5,000 to $6,000 a month. And let's say you live in a, you know, $1,500 apartment. So just because you got that little raise, that doesn't mean go and spend more money. That's basically what lifestyle creep is. When you make more money and you feel like you gotta go spend more money just because you know you made more money. That's what y'all don't want to do. I'm not gonna lie, lifestyle creep is kind of crazy because it really just sneaks up on you. That's why they call it lifestyle creep, especially when you got FOMO. And FOMO is basically like, it stands for fear of missing out. FOMO, F-O-M-O. You feel me? You might be driving an old beat up Chevy and then you got a group of friends and they pulling up in new Chargers, Mercedes Benzes and stuff like that. Now you feel like you gotta fit in. That's what lifestyle creep is. It's like FOMO. That kind of ties into lifestyle creep as well, because you know, you got the fear of missing out. Now you see your friends with this stuff. Now you feel like you gotta go get it too just because your friends got it. That's why it's important to stay down and just wait your turn. Like that Dodge Charger that you might want, that Mercedes Benz, that penthouse apartment, that, you know, whatever it is that you want in life, man, that stuff can wait. Like, it ain't no point in wasting your money, you feel me, and going broke because you trying to compete or you trying to fit in with your friend group or, you know, the next person or whoever you see online and stuff like that. And that's one of the craziest things about the internet, is because you will see somebody like your age or you somebody that's younger than you. And I got this bad. Like, I see somebody, I'd be like, dang, bro, like, how does he have a Ferrari, or how does he have a Lamborghini? How is he living this type of life? Now, why can't I do it, or something like that, you feel me? And then I try to, you know, copy and do it, you know, whatever I see online. That's what you don't want to do, because online, one thing about like social media that a lot of people don't realize is nothing but like, you know, people's highlight reel. So don't compare yourself to other people on social media, because you never know, that car could be rented, that could be their parents' car, that could be their friend's car. Like, you never know. Social media is just a highlight reel, so don't never judge nobody off of social media. And also, trying to look rich, bro, this is one of the things that I ain't gonna lie, I was guilty with this in school, but I learned my lesson. Like, buying expensive shoes, you feel me, buying expensive clothes, trying to buy designer. Bro, I'm gonna tell y'all, one of the worst things I ever did, one of the worst financial decisions that I ever did, that I'm still facing to this day, and I'm 23 and I made the decision when I was 18. So I'm just telling y'all this so y'all don't make the same decision. Y'all see the car that I'm sitting in? This is a Dodge Charger. I bought this car when I was 18, fresh out of school. You know, I felt like I was seeing, I ain't gonna lie, I was seeing Quan do it on Instagram. So I felt like, man, shit, let me go get me a Dodge Charger too. Maybe I have motion. But let me tell y'all, bro, the females, they don't care about the car for real. Your homies, they don't care. They might care in a moment, but as years go by, bro, one thing I realized, they don't care. Like, them same people that you was trying to impress, it don't even matter no more. Like, they on to bigger and better stuff, you feel me? You probably don't even know them people no more. So it's like you just trying to impress people for the moment. So, bro, just stay down and get something cheap, bro. Buy whatever really makes you happy. Now, if you want to really go spend your money, then, hey, you feel me? I ain't perfect. I did it. So, I mean, I try to warn you, but if you do it, that's you. All right, number 2, another big thing is eating out a lot. Like, you feel me, bro? A lot of people, we spend a lot of money on fast food, McDonald's, Sonic, shit, going out to eat and stuff like that. Bro, there's nothing wrong with eating at home. You can eat noodles, shit, chicken nuggets, bro. You can sloppy joes, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I go to the store, buy, you know, a pound of ground beef, a can of sloppy joe, you know, a little pack of burger buns or whatever, and some chips. I'm trying to tell you, bro, like a pound of sloppy joe, that'll last me maybe 3 to 4 days, bro. I'm chilling, you feel me? Now I'm saving money, I'm stacking money, I'm not eating out like that. It's a lot of ways you can save your money on food, you know, that you ain't gotta go out to eat every day. You ain't gotta be buying McDonald's every day. You ain't gotta stop at the donut shop getting donut holes and donuts before work every day. Like, just cut all that extra shit out and, you know, stack that money, save that money. All right, number 3, for all my youngins out here, this is for the females and the guys, bro. Going out every weekend. Stop trying to go to every event. Stop trying to go to every party. You feel me? Like what I say, FOMO. FOMO, fear of missing out. It's okay to miss out. It's okay to stay in the crib. Stay in the crib and chill. They say when you bored, you gonna save money unless you just in the crib blowing money. But even when you're in the crib, bro, just chill, play the game, you feel me? Watch YouTube. Just a lot of stuff you can do in the crib. Be creative, create content, you feel me? You ain't gotta be out at every party. For the females, you ain't gotta go shake your ass at every party, every club, you feel me? Like, bro, just stay in the crib, save some bread. All right, number 4, we got not budgeting your money. Now I'm sure all of y'all that's watching this done heard about budgeting, or y'all done heard parents say something about budgeting. And let me tell y'all, I'm just be straight up honest, bro. Budgeting your money is boring, but it will help you save money. It's one of the best ways to save money. Like, bro, a lot of people, they underestimate budgeting money. It basically, you track every dollar. You know where every dollar is going. You know how much you spending on bills this month, how much food, how much gas. You feel me? Stuff like that. Also, with budgeting your money, whenever you get your paycheck, you want to pay yourself first. And what I mean by that, instead of like spending your money straight on bills, instead of it, I mean, bills is cool. You supposed to pay your bills, but bro, you want to pay yourself first. Think about it, bro. You just worked a whole week or 2 weeks, however, you know, whatever y'all pay period is, but you just worked your ass off. And the first thing you gonna do is give your money to somebody else. Like, nah, bro, take $50 to $100, $150, $200, however much money you can put aside, take that money and literally put that aside first, whether it's in like a savings account, a high yield savings account, or shit, you can shoebox method, put it in the shoebox and shit, put it in the closet, forget about it. Save yourself, bro. Save that money for rainy days. You want to put that money up first and save it for a rainy day, because you never know when you gonna need it, and rainy days do happen a lot. That's one thing I learned. Like I said though, when you budgeting, you should know where every single dollar, I'm talking about from the penny to the dime to the nickel, I don't give a damn, bro. You should know where every single penny, dime, and dollar is going. You feel me? Whether it's $100 on the light bill, $1,200 on rent, write that down. I don't give a damn if you gotta buy your dog some food, write that down. You feel me, bro? Trust me, it's gonna make your life way easier, like budgeting your money. That way, you know, when you get your paycheck, you know, when you working a job, you usually got like a set amount you make every week, or, you know, one thing about a job is like stable income, so you really know how much you gonna make every week. So you wanna have that budget wrote out already, so you know exactly where that money is going. That way you're not just out here free spending. I got this a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like this one thing y'all gonna learn about me when y'all watching my channel. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all the mistakes that I made, and you know, you feel me, I'm still learning myself, but you feel me, I want to share with y'all. I want to document my financial journey as well as try to help y'all at the same time. So budgeting your money is a big one. You want to know where every dollar is going. All right, y'all, the last one we got is number 5. Stop being a consumer all the time. Please stop being a consumer all the time. I see this so much, especially with our generation, bro. It's crazy. There's so many distractions in this world, bro. We got food distractions. You got social media is the most biggest one, bro. Like, it's so many distractions. And a lot of people, they consumers, and they don't even realize that they being a consumer. Ain't nothing wrong with consuming, but bro, like, you want to create something yourself, like whether it's content, a business, you feel me, something valuable that's gonna pay you more than, you know, you just getting up and working your job. Most people, they go to work, they earn money, then they spend their money. You feel me? That's not what you want to be doing. You want to be trying to figure out different ways, always searching for different ways, you know, you can invest your money or how you can make more money. You know, you always want to be trying to figure out how you can grow your money and stuff like that. You never just want to be the type of person that go to work, earn some money, and then you just blow all your money. Like, come on, bro, that don't even make sense. Why would you want to do that? Especially if you want to get ahead in life, you want to, you know, you want to live a better type of life. You don't want to be average. You feel me? You want to, bro, like, come on, we got to lock in. I'm going to just say this because this on the consumer side. Just think about it. Why would you want to 24/7 watch somebody else win when you can do the same thing? Like, why do that? Why, like, what type of lifestyle is that? And I'm not trying to, you know, I ain't trying to talk crazy about nobody or trying to talk crazy to, if this is you, because I mean, I done did it before too, but now I'm on the side, you know, you feel me? I'm trying to create something. I'm trying to build something. So it's like, it's okay to consume, but just don't be a consumer. You want to consume and then you want to produce something too. You feel me? Like I said, whether there's content creation, a clothing brand, you know, you can sell food, whatever, but you want to produce something. Don't just be a consumer. Don't just eat at all the restaurants. You feel me? You can sit, you can make your own little, you feel me, your little side hustle at the crib selling plates. Don't just watch content, watching Castaneda all day. I Show Speed, I don't know who you watch. Don't just be watching streamers, bro. You start streaming. Start learning how to make money in the content game, bro. It's a lot of money to be made in content. And trust me, I know this channel right here is very small. Like, I just started this channel and I'm really finna just lock back in on it because I done seen how content can change your life. Trust me, bro. I promise you. This is not my only channel. I got a channel that I grew. It's NoLimit. I'm gonna leave it in the description. It's NoLimit BJ. That's my main channel. A lot of y'all probably done see me on there, but what I was doing pranks and I blew up, bro. 1 month I went crazy, bro. I swear to God, like, if I'm lying, I'm dying, bro. I'm not lying. 1 month I made $10,000 doing Walmart pranks. I'm telling you, bro. And that's Walmart pranks. So that's like with a low CPM. Like, advertisers not really paying that much money for, you know, entertainment and stuff like that. But a niche like this, like financing, giving game on how to, you know, build an online brand and stuff like that, social media and stuff, this is where the money is for real. So that's why I'm not even just doing this for the money. I'm doing this to, you know, better myself too. But yeah, what I'm saying though, I know I'm over here talking my ass off, but what I'm saying though is, bro, it's a lot of money in this content stuff. Like, don't just be a consumer. Learn how to produce content. Learn how to clip. Learn how social media works, bro. It's like, come on, bro. There's no excuse. It's 2026, and then, bro, you got the internet, bro. The internet literally can tell you anything. If not just the internet, bro, y'all can reach out to me. I'm not one of them type of dudes that's online and think I'm just Hollywood or social media famous or something like that. Bro, I will respond to y'all. Anything y'all need, like, not even just respond to you, bro. I will real live send you a voice message like I'm talking to you on the phone. You feel me? I'll find time out of my day. Whatever you need help with, bro, I will help you. I promise you, I'm here to help. I want to be like the big brother to y'all, because I never had a big brother. I had a little brother, but he passed away in a car accident. So, I mean, he gone. So now, you feel me? I can't be a big brother. I mean, I still got sisters and stuff like that, but I lost my only brother. So, you feel me, bro? I just want to be like a big brother to y'all. So, if y'all need help with anything, please reach out to me. My Instagram is in the description. Anything y'all need, I promise you I got you. Also, this is the last thing I'm gonna touch on that I'm gonna end this video. But instead of asking what you can buy, start asking yourself, like, what can you own? You feel me? Like, instead of going to McDonald's or a gas station and you just shopping there at Walmart, you know, you going to McDonald's. It might sound extreme, but you will be surprised, like, just on changing your mindset on how much you can grow. Because really, I ain't gonna lie, they say wealth starts in the mind. You feel me? Anything you want in life, it starts up here with a thought. So next time you go to McDonald's, just start practicing this. You feel me? Or next time you go to the store, you buy some clothes, instead of just like, what can I buy out of here? How can I own this store? How can I own, you feel me? Like, how can I own some clothes in the store to sell? Stuff like that. Instead of going to McDonald's buying a cheeseburger, how can I sell cheeseburgers? How can I own McDonald's? Just start asking yourself stuff like that. I promise you, bro, changing your mind is gonna get you where you need to be. But yeah, it's your boy NoLimit BJ. Hey, look, I love y'all. Like I said, if y'all need help with anything, please reach out to me in the DMs on Instagram. Bro, y'all feel free to comment too, bro. This is a community. I want to build something special. So, hey, this channel, we giving out free games. So, bro, hey, so yeah, like I said, we a family, bro. We locked in. If y'all watching this, I hope y'all decide to subscribe. I ain't asking nobody to do nothing, but you feel me? But hey, if y'all rocking with me, I'm rocking with y'all. Even if y'all not rocking with me, I'm still rocking with y'all, because I'm just a genuine person like that. I fuck with y'all, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next video.